Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues. Today I'm reviewing this same smartwatch which you can buy on Amazon for $17.99 at the moment. I'll put a link in the description below. Let's check out this. And this is the watch here. It comes in this basic box, brown box. Inside the box you get the smartwatch and a micro USB cable and the instructions. Now, the instructions itself, I mean, they are quite small. You will actually need a magnifying glass to read off from, because I can't read it myself. I mean, I'm using a camera and I can't actually see it, so that's one of the things that you bear in mind when you buy this watch. You might need a magnifying glass for read the instructions. And obviously USB cable, that's a standard USB cable. USB cable for Android, normally use for Android. Micro USB. This is the watch itself. It's got a rubber strap and like a metal frame case to the watch with a camera at the top and a mic, and the speaker I believe is at the back there. And a menu button here, the bottom part. Let's turn it on. Right, now this takes SIM cards and micro SD cards. Obviously I haven't got a SIM card at the moment, so it says insert SIM at the top. I mean, the watch itself is quite light, so that's a good thing. Let's go for menus and see what's in the menus. You got Bluetooth, BT dialer, what about those? Call logs, message, anti-lost, remote camera, settings, pedometer, sleep monitor, reminder, alarm clock, find me, image viewer and calendar. You've got audio player, and you've got BT music, camera, sound recorder on there. You've got Facebook on here, and WhatsApp app there, and the internet browsers there, and file manager. You've got Twitter, and a calculator. That's it, that's all that's on the watch. Bear in mind, when you buy this watch, when you put a SIM card in it, you will need to set up the settings for the internet on profiles, not profiles, connectivity. No. It's on phone settings. So you have to set it up, see, otherwise the internet will not work on the watch itself. Because obviously on a normal phone, when you put a SIM card into it, the settings are always sent to the phone, but on this watch, they're not. You have to do it manually. It works on all UK networks. Obviously when you click on Facebook, because you've got a SIM card, it's going to say no SIM card. Insert SIM card. just showing you different things it's got out. Calculator. I mean, it's quite easy press. It's not actually hard press actually. It seems quite fast as well. And at the back of the watch, obviously, you take off the back. Then underneath here, it will have where you put the SIM card in the memory card. I'm just going to show you that now. Oh, I forget it's off. Comes off. These are the battery here. I'll show you the battery. The battery is, as you can see, when it focuses, it's 300. Not focusing. Anyway, it's 380 milliamp battery. Obviously inside there, SIM card, the memory card goes there, side, and you just basically put it in. That's it. I mean, because it's a phone watch, I mean, it does actually feel quite light. It doesn't feel big on your wrist or anything like that. Even though obviously I've got small wrists, but it doesn't feel like as if it's massive. It looks massive on there, but obviously when you're wearing it, you won't actually notice. I mean, for the money, for 17 quid, I reckon that they are worth the money, because it's a phone and that. So really, you know, you're buying a watch and a phone. So, and it's got Android, so that's a good thing. I mean, for 17 quid, I mean, you can't really go wrong. I mean, this will make a great gift for Christmas for someone. I mean, if I was a kid and I had one of these, I'd be like, oh my god, I've got a phone watch. But yeah. But anyway, thanks for watching this review, and hope you found something useful. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!